Well, hello and greetings. I am Jay, the practitioner. Although I know all is well, my heart is full this day. My heart is full this day. I have been looking at the devastation in my hometown in Southern California, and my heart is heavy. It's very heavy. So this meeting today with us is about prayer. Prayer for restoration. Prayer for safety. Prayer for love. Prayer for the resources that are needed. Sending prayers out to those who are grieving, who have lost loved ones in this devastation. So right now, I'd like to take us into meditation, prayer. Find a nice, comfortable spot. Close your eyes if you choose. And we're praying for love, restoration, resources, safety. Love, resources, safety, love, resources, safety. I pray for love, resources, safety, restoration, restoration. We are holding the collective prayer. We are the light. And we're praying prayers of love, restoration, resources, and safety. See it in your mind's eye, restoration. See the resources that are needed for this area to be restored. Life is precious. Life is so very precious. As we begin to come back into our current state of awareness, take a breath. Take another breath. Begin to open your eyes. There's power in prayer. There's so much power in prayer. As you go throughout this day, keep that in your consciousness, knowing that prayers are being answered right here, right now. Right here and right now. Until we meet again, namaste.